Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back on my channel, and I am here again, back in front of you with a new reading. And today's topic of my reading is what you need to know with the help of your chakras, and why this topic is so important right now, because some of you are working on your chakra and there are some certain blockages which you are not able to find out. They are very tiny particles of blockages you have. They might not be visible, just uh, very prominently. They are not visible that clearly to you, but they exist. These blockages exist in your life right now. They are blocking you to some extent, uh, where you feel very tightly stuck, but you are not able to find the pathway to reach to that particular blockage, and you are not able to locate that blockage. You are not able to recognize that blockage. So, for that blockage, here I have my beautiful chakra cards, and we will work with these chakra cards. So, I would ask you all to connect to your divine angels, to your divine God, whosoever you are more connected to. It can be any God, and why I am asking you to connect to divine God, so that you actually can grab this message. You can you can understand these message, and you can resonate through these message and locate the messages uh, to your body chakra. Okay, so this is going to be a very specific reading for very specific group of people, and you will get this information whenever you need them. It's a timeless reading. So I hope, I want you all to connect to yourself, close your eyes, connect with yourself, and think about all the chakras present in your body, or think about all the chakras you know, or you have knowledge about what all the chakras you have. So connect to yourself, connect to your chakras, and I will start taking messages. What do you need to know right now about your chakras? Which chakras need attention? What do you need to know about your chakra? Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, divine angels. Thank you so much. Please guide my viewers. What do they need to know about their chakra, and which chakra needs the work on? Thank you so much. Thank you so much, angels. Please guide me. Thank you so much. Okay. I'll take all the four messages, and root chakra is also here. So you have to work on your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, solar plexus chakra, and sacral chakra. Okay. So I will read the messages, what you need to understand right now, or what you need to work on yourself. First of all, the first chakra you need to work upon yourself is the capability. So it says, I remove obstacles from my path. I can actualize what I set out to achieve. I cultivate my strength and capability of with focus and determination. I am brave, strong, and capable. So I am strong is your affirmation. You are capable enough to do what, or you are capable enough to remove your blockages. So this is at the bottom of the deck saying that if you are somewhere in the doubtful situation that you are not capable enough to do work on your obstacles or work on your blockages, then no, you have to say that I am strong, I am capable. the, the next message for your crown chakra. I align my will with the divine will, allowing wisdom from the higher realm to support and guide my evolution on the earth. I grow when I settle into the service of myself and others. I leave space for the magic of the universe to play in my life. I allow the unfolding. So it is very obvious that everything is not clear right now to you, and therefore the divine will says you ask your crown chakra to be activated and allow the divine guidance, or allow the unfolded cards to get like the folded cards to get unfolded. Okay, I hope you are able to connect with me. Like, there are many things which you really don't know, and it's okay to not to know everything. Okay, so let it unfold. I allow the unfolding. So the things which are folded, which are not visible right now, I allow them to be visible. Okay, the third eye chakra. When you concentrate on third eye chakra, talk about purity. I release the need to control myself, my life, and others around me. I allow for and embrace purity of mind and vision. I am honest, clear, and pure in my intentions to serve myself and others to bring about peace in the world. My intention is pure. So, what happens when your intentions are pure? You are surrendered. You surrender yourself to the universe and you allow it to unfold naturally. So, be very honest with yourself, be very clear with yourself, be very pure to yourself about whatever you feel the obstacle are. Be pure that yes, be pure to accept yes, it is the thing which is hurting me. Yes, it's hurting me. So open, be pure with your third eye chakra, be clear with your intuitions so that you can catch what are the obstacle. Be strong. Yes, you can do it. Next, working on your sacral chakra, it says, I am worthy for the self worth. I am worthy. I listen to my needs and desires and honor myself. I give myself the time, space, and loving kindness that I need to make manifest all that I am. I discover my true self by going inward and becoming my own best friend. I mature, I nurture. So, wherever you are hiding your blockages from yourself, you are harming your self worth. So, you have to nurture everything. You have to accept that yes, these are the things which I'm not strong at. Just acknowledge. When you acknowledge something, your self-worth will increase in yourself, because you will start acknowledging hidden the hidden truth, the hidden purity about yourself. Next, you have to work on your solar plexus chakra for your courage. I have the strength, courage, and willpower to face my fears and see my desires, dreams, and goals through the completion. Goals through to completion. So I have to complete my goals, right? So I have to have the courage to face the fears. Okay, so the hidden fears, whatever you have and which you are not facing, now is the time to face the fears. You have the courage. Okay, I release the need to be anything other than who I am in order to succeed. I believe in myself and I have the courage to fail and success. So, failure is equally important, and success is already existing. It's already existing in your everyday life, because the failure is again a success for a new path. So I am possible. That's your affirmation. So, these were the beautiful affirmations you need to practice right now. You have to work on most of your chakras, starting from the root chakra, that I am strong, to go to I am possible, I nurture, my intention is pure, to I allow the unfolding. So this is the path you have to cover, and I hope it really, you give yourself a week's time for this, and you nurture every chakra you have. So these were the beautiful messages. I am very sure that you have connected and you have got your affirmation and your messages to take one step ahead in your life path journey. And therefore, it's time to go. All the best. Take care, and like, share, and subscribe my channel. Do subscribe and do like the video. And bye bye.